Hi everyone. For this worksheet, we'll be continuing on the topic on numbers to 100,000 and the topic on factors and multiples. Let's take a look at the first question, question number 1. Form the greatest 5-digit even number with the following digits. To answer this question, we need to know what are the odd and even numbers. So always remember odd, 1 out, so 1 is an odd number, followed by 3, 5, 7, 9. Even numbers include 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. So digit 7 is an odd or even number. It's an odd number. Digit 2 is an even number. Digit 5 is an odd number. Digit 9 is an odd number. Digit 6 is an even number. So we are done with this. Let's go on to the next information, 5 digit. So let's draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lines. Next information, they want the greatest number. So this 5-digit number over here must be as big as possible. Therefore, the very first digit in the largest place value, does it have to be very big or does it have to be very small? It has to be as big or as great as possible. On the other hand, the smallest place value will have to be as small as possible. Okay, so now we go back to the question. They want an even number. So if you want an even number, which place value has to be an even number in order for this 5-digit number to be an even number? The ones place has to be an even number. The ones place has to be an even number. So now we are ready to solve the question. Okay, which place value would you attempt to solve first? Is it a 10,000s place, thousands place, hundreds place, tens place, or the ones place? The ones place, because you have two information in the ones place. It must be an even number and it must be a very small even number. Okay, so you have over here number 2 and number 6, which are even numbers. Which is the smallest or the smaller even number? Digit 2, yes. So after we write down, we strike. Now let's look at the remaining digits. You want as great as possible. Which is the greatest number? Digit 9, and we strike, followed by digit 7, and we strike, followed by digit 6, and we strike, followed by digit 5, and we strike. So the answer for the first question will have to be 97,652. This is the answer to the first question. Let's go on to question number 2. Round the following numbers to the nearest place value in the bracket, which is to round to the nearest 1,000. In order to do rounding numbers, we must not forget the poem FL 4 and 5. What does it mean? Find your number, look right next door. 4 or less, just ignore. 5 or more, add 1 more. So step 1, let's find the number first. They want us to round to the nearest 1,000. Which digit is in the thousands place? Digit 1. Look right next door. Now, digit 5, is it 4 or less or 5 or more? It is 5 or more, so we add 1 more. So digit 6 stays the same. 1 plus 1 becomes a 2. Whatever number behind the circle becomes a 0. So this will be the answer for question 2. Now let's go on to the next question, question number 3. List the common factors of 12 and 33. So in order to list the common factors, we must first find out what are the factors of 12, followed by the factors of 33. And in order to do so, what must we do? We have to list out the multiplication equations of 12 and 33 separately. So let's start with 12 first. 1 times what gives 12? 1 times 12. 2 times what gives 12? Let's list out the 2 times table. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. How many fingers are there? 6. Moving on. 3 times what gives 12? This start is 3 times table. 3, 6, 9, 12. 4 fingers. Moving on. 4 times what gives 12? 4, 8, 12. That is a 3. So if you were to notice that 3 and 4 as compared to 4 and 3 is a repeat. So we cancel the repeat and we can stop here because it has already repeated. We do not need to continue listing. Okay, so we are done with the 12. Now let's go on to 33. 1 times what gives 33? 1 times 33 gives 33. 2 times what gives 33? Okay, maybe we can start counting from 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34. So from 32 you skip to 34. Is there a 33? No, there isn't, so we cancel. Next, 3 times what gives 33? So let's list. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33. How many fingers are there? 11 fingers. Okay, so let's continue. 4 times what gives 33? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36. So from 32 it skips to 36. Is there an answer? No, there isn't. We cancel. 5 times what gives 33? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So from 30 we skip to 35. Is there a 33? No, there isn't. We cancel. Moving on. 6 times what gives 33? 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. So from 30 we skip to 36. Is there an answer? There isn't. Let's go on. 7 times what gives 33? 7, 14, 21, 28, 35. So from 28 we skip to 35. Is there an answer? There isn't. Let's go on. 8 times what gives 33? 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. So from 32 you skip to 40. Is there an answer? There isn't. Moving on. 9 times what gives 33? 9, 18, 27, 36, So from 27 to 36, is there a 33? There isn't. We cancel. Moving on. 10 times what gives 33? 10, 20, 30, 40. From 30 to 40, is there a 33? There isn't. Cancel. Moving on. 11 times what gives 33? 11, 22, 33. 11 times 3. So notice that 3 times 11 and 11 times 3 is a repeat. I can stop here and at the same time I can cancel. Okay, so now the question is asking us to find the common factors of these two numbers. So let's see which are the common factors. We have 1. Is there a 2? No, there is 2 for 12 but not for 33. How about 3? Yes. Okay. Is 4 a common factor? No. Is 6 a common factor? No. Is 12 a common factor? No. So the answer will just be 1 and 3. Now let's go on to question number 4. This question wants us to list the multiples based on the questions below. Now what are the first 4 multiples of 6? You always focus on the multiplication behind the word of. So what are the multiples of 6? The first 4 of them. They are 6, 12, 18 and 24. Moving on to part B. Third multiple of 5. So you focus on behind the word of 5 times table. Which is the third multiple of 5? 5, 10, 15. So the answer is a 15. Moving on next. First 3 multiples of 8. So you look behind the word of. You are looking at 8 times table. So what are the first 3 multiples of 8? 8, 16 and 24. Part D. 8th multiple of 2. So same thing, you look behind the word of. You are looking for the 2 times table, which is the 8 times table of 2. So you have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 and a 16. That will be the answer. Moving on next. First 5 multiples of 7. So you focus on 7 times table. They want the first 5 of them. We have 7, 14, 21, 28 and 35. And for the last question, the 4th multiple of 9, we focus on the 9 times table. They want the 4th, not the first 4 but the 4th. So it will be 9, 18, 27 and a 36. So answer here is 36. So this will be the end of this worksheet. Thank you.